Imagine opening a gift box, and inside, there it is, your childhood home. Every brick, every window, every crack in the driveway, shrunk down to the size of your hand. That feeling punching through your chest right now, that's worth $300, sometimes $800, sometimes more. And someone right now is running a business delivering that exact feeling to people all over the world. No storefront, no warehouse, no employees, just photos of a house and a product that makes grown adults cry. This business has almost zero competition in most cities. It taps into something money can't usually buy: memory. And the people running it correctly, they're clearing $5,000 to $8,000 a month from a laptop on their own terms. In the next 5 minutes, you're going to see exactly how this works, what it costs to start, and where the real money actually hides inside this niche. The last part is the one most people never figure out. Don't skip it. Most people have never heard of this business. That's exactly why it works. Low competition, high demand, almost zero awareness. Here's the model. Someone sends your photos of their house. You turn those photos into a handcrafted miniature replica. You ship it to their door. Done. No inventory, no raw materials piling up anywhere, just photos in, product out. And people are paying serious money for this. $150 for a basic clay replica, $500 for a detailed resin model, $1,500 for a premium version with landscaping and hand-painted details. These aren't impulse purchases. These are deliberate, deeply emotional buying decisions. And here's what makes this niche nearly impossible for competitors to crack. It's not searchable until someone needs it. The moment they need it, they'll pay whatever it costs. New homeowners, families relocating, real estate agents, adult children of aging parents. The buyer pool is enormous, and right now it's completely wide open. The process is simpler than you think. Step 1, the customer sends you photos. Front of the house, back, sides, close-ups of unique details. That's everything you need. Step 2, you build the model. Now here's where most people freeze and say, but I can't sculpt. Doesn't matter. You have 2 options. Option 1, learn the craft yourself. Resin casting and air-dry clay are genuinely beginner-friendly. A basic starter kit costs under $100. 2 weeks of practice, you're producing sellable work. Option 2, outsource it completely. Platforms like Fiverr and Upwork have skilled miniature artists charging $50 to $150 per piece. You charge the customer $400. You keep the difference. You never touch a single tool. Step 3, package it like it's the main event. Because it is. This is the moment the customer tears up. A branded box, tissue paper, a handwritten note. The packaging isn't a detail, it's part of the product. Get it right. Step 4, deliver and collect your review. 5-star reviews on Etsy are currency. 10 strong reviews and your listing starts ranking on its own. 20 reviews and orders arrive without you chasing a single person. That's the entire business. Photos in, miniature out, money collected. Repeat. Real numbers. Let's go. A basic clay or resin replica costs you $30 to $50 to produce yourself. If you're outsourcing, $50 to $150 per piece. You sell it for $300 to $500. That's a profit margin of 60 to 80% per order. Read that again. Now scale it. 10 orders a month at $350 average, that's $3,500. 20 orders a month, that's $7,000, and 20 orders a month is less than 1 per day. Premium orders push those numbers higher. One $1,500 custom order replaces 5 basic ones. Real estate agents alone can send you 5 to 10 orders every month, and we're getting to that next. Startup costs? Beginner craft supplies under $100. Etsy shop setup, $15. Packaging and branding, $50 to $100. You can launch this entire business for under $200 and be profitable on your very first order. No loan, no investor, no risk. Just a $200 decision that changes everything. The math is straightforward. The execution is straightforward. The only thing standing between you and $5,000 a month is your first listing. Most people open an Etsy shop, post 1 listing, then wait. Nothing happens, they quit. Here's what actually moves the needle. Channel 1, Etsy with intent. Don't just list it, optimize it. Titles like Custom Miniature House Gift for New Homeowner rank fast. Etsy has 90 million active buyers searching for exactly this kind of product. Your listing works for you 24 hours a day. Channel 2, Facebook and neighborhood groups. Post a before and after, photo of the real house, then the miniature. No long caption needed. That image sells itself. Local groups go wild for this content. One post can flood your inbox overnight. Channel 3, Real Estate Agents. This is the gold mine most people completely miss. Agents close deals worth hundreds of thousands of dollars. They need closing gifts that actually mean something. A miniature of the buyer's new home? That's not a gift, that's the memory of the biggest purchase of their life. Agents will pay $300 to $500 per piece, and a single agent closes multiple deals every month. Partner with 5 agents, and you have a waiting list before your Etsy shop even has 10 reviews. Email 10 local agents this week. Show them one photo of a finished miniature. That one email can change how this business looks for you permanently. Here's where this goes from a side hustle to a real operation. Month 1, you learn the process. You fulfill orders yourself. Month 2, you systemize everything. Same packaging, same customer messages, same turnaround time. Month 3, you hand off production completely. One dedicated artisan on Fiverr trained to your standard. You stop making miniatures, you start running a business. Now your only job is marketing and orders. Add a second artisan, you double capacity overnight. Create 3 Etsy listings targeting different buyers, new homeowners, relocating families, real estate agents. Each listing speaks directly to one type of customer. Each customer feels like the shop was built specifically for them. At this stage, $10,000 a month isn't the ceiling, it's the floor. Some sellers layer in digital upgrades, rush delivery fees, premium interior detail packages. Every upsell adds $50 to $200 per order without adding a single new customer. The path is clear. The model works. The market is open. The only variable is whether you actually move. The gift industry is worth billions. The nostalgia niche sitting inside it, barely touched. You now know the product, the pricing, the customers, the scale. This window doesn't stay open forever. Open your Etsy shop this week. Email one real estate agent tomorrow. That's the entire move. Because a year from now, someone in your city will be running this business. The only question is whether that person is you or someone who watched this same video and actually started.